Hi, my name is Morgan, and this is my presentation for a guide about Indonesian culture. Before choosing my final topic, these are my 5 possible topics, which includes Indonesia/Jakarta history, pets, indie rock music history, music vinyl, and cheese. To choose my final topic, I did a number system or score system based on the topic above. Overall, Indonesia/Jakarta history got the highest point with 26 points, and indie rock music history got the highest points as well. But I decided to go with Indonesia/Jakarta history because I could write more discussion about it more than the indie rock music history. After choosing my topic, I tried to find 10 different competitor websites on my topic. With my competitor websites, I made a novelty/aesthetic graph where I put all the competitor website into the graph based on their uniqueness and beauty. This graph shows that each graph must have a balance between novelty and aesthetic preference. They can't be too unique or too typical or too beautiful or too ugly. With my competitor website, I made a visual research to find out how to make a good website. For this website, the designer uses clear and vibrant colored images showcasing the beauty of Indonesia. Designer has also split the topics into different tabs with different beautiful images relating to the topic. The designer also utilized the use of video to catch the audience attention. In one of my competitor website, the designer has utilized vibrant colors to create emphasis towards the images at the top, as these images contrast from the white background. The colors used by the designer has also reflect and showcase the beauty of Indonesia, which also makes the website look more aesthetically and visually pleasing for users of the website. For the heading and subheading of the webpage, the designer has used a bold and black font, which again contrasts from the white background. In this page of the website, there's a visible principle of hierarchy with the placement of each image and text. This is done because the designer wanted the audience to view the heading first before the topics with the images below. In this screenshot of one of my competitor's website, the designer has visibly utilized the design principle of hierarchy and emphasis as seen from the large bold type of the heading. This was done to allow the user to view the page from the heading moving downwards onto the images with subtopics. This is done because the designer wanted the audience to know what this page is all about. After doing some visual research, I made some 10 interview questions to interview people with. After doing my interview, I made a personal page based on a person named Jordan Smith. Um, in the bio, it says that Jordan Smith is an adventurous traveler looking to explore different unique cultures and traditions around the world, and he's planning to begin his journey from the continent of Asia. His goal is to learn and gain knowledge of the cultures in Indonesia and explore some amazing locations in the country before traveling to the tropical country of Indonesia. His personality is active, adventurous, extrovert, loyal, and respectful. And his frustration is that there are little information on the internet regarding the cultures of Indonesia and how to approach their culture with respect and understanding. For my side goal is to give user knowledge about the cultures and traditions found in the tropical country of Indonesia and to help tourists who are planning to travel to Indonesia to learn more about the country. Here's my interview results summary, which shows that some of the interview haven't tried any Indonesian dishes yet, but the ones who had tried Indonesian cuisine had described it to be unique from the way the food was served. Most of my interview had gone to a trip to Bali, as they experienced some unique traditions and attractions such as the Kecak show, and they all described the experience to be great and unique to tell a story. My results showed that most people use the internet to find more information about the culture, and the results show that most of my interviewees state that their mates are their influence that introduced them to some traditional Indonesian food and stories about how their lives were back in Indonesia. My plans for my website is so far that at the top part of my webpage there will be an image displaying the beauty of Indonesia, and below this webpage there will be a different images displaying different topics such as history or food. And the color palette of the website will be filled with colors found in nature such as green, blue, brown, and other earthly tones to convey a sense of organic and eco-friendly website. There will be minimal number of text found on the website to create a cleaner and more minimalistic looking website. Since the website is targeted towards tourists looking to travel to Indonesia, images placed on the website will display different locations, attractions, and food. Lastly, here's the citations for all the website images used in this presentation. Thank you for listening to my presentation.